Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated all things coding. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of CSS, focusing on how to enhance your web pages with backgrounds and gradients. And let's get started. First, let's talk about CSS backgrounds. CSS allows you to add color, images, and even gradients to the backgrounds of your elements. And here's how you can set a simple background color. So in my HTML, I have a link that's referring to my style.css. And I have my server running on the right using the add-on called live server. In my body, I'm going to add a div class with the class of simple background, just like this. And inside, I'll be writing, this div has a background color. And when I hit Control Save, this div is currently aligning. But in my style.css, I'll add a .simple background. And in this, I will add a background, and it has the background color of a tomato. By setting the background color property, you can choose any color to fit your design. And now let's spice things up by adding an image as a background. So I'll add another class called .image.background, and I'll have the background image with the URL of the name of our image. And in this case, I'll be using what's in my folder, which is called profile-pic or profile-pic.png, and I'll set it to background size as cover and background position as cover. But I don't have anything referencing this class right now. So when I go over back to my HTML, I'll go ahead and include this class to my body tag. So now when I hit save, you're going to see this image that I have in my folder serve as the background, with the background size as cover and the background position as a cover. And I'll go ahead and remove this class out of my HTML. Now I'll add a linear gradient, which has a background with a linear gradient to bottom. And I'll do something like the hex code of a blue or an aqua color to a hex code of a pink. And I'll hit Control Save to save my CSS, and I'll copy paste this class name over to my body. And now I'll change my simple background to the linear gradient class. And now this div has a background color that's going from that blue that we created to that pink. And the to bottom is taking effect because it starts on the top and then it gradients into pink at the bottom. Now let's try a radial gradient. And for my radial gradient, I'll just make sure it's in the shape of a circle going from yellow to blue. And now I'll go ahead and copy paste this onto my div class. And I'll go ahead and replace the class of my div, and you'll see that it starts with a bright yellow at the center and fades into deep blue at the ends, creating a spotlight effect. And there you have it. You just learned how to set a simple background color and create beautiful gradients in CSS. Experiment with different colors and shapes to see what you can come up with. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe and support my channel through my Patreon in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.